One time, the altar was in your home. That's pre-slavery. When you were a free African, your altar was in your home. So that's where we're beginning with. And as we teach people about it takes a whole village to raise a child. Now there are certain things that you need for your altar. You need a candle. You need incense. You need a dish or container for water. Okay? Because this allows you to do something that we call libation or offerings to God. So let's go over this one more time. Altar, you need candle, incense, water, libation, to do libation. You also may need a table or a mat in which to place all this stuff on. Okay? So this is part of doing Niame Dua, remembering and glorifying God in an African way. Now, African people were very, very spiritual people, and we still are very, very spiritual people, but we have become weakened, frustrated, degraded, and dehumanized. Okay? Now, how can you tell that you've become dehumanized, degraded, weakened? Is because we're all experiencing, once again, corruption, violence in our communities, greed, and lust. So first of all, we've got to change this. We've got to reduce this. We've got to minimize this. We've got to alleviate these conditions of corruption, violence, greed, and lust in our community. Now, you might ask yourself, that's a big job. And it is a big job. But if you've got your altar, which represents the presence of God and God's protection, it's no longer an unattainable feat. So we have to refocus ourselves and concentrate on those things that are important to maintaining the community. Now, part of the spiritual traditions is understanding how to achieve this. So I'm going to use another term here. Know thyself. Now, what does this know thyself actually really mean? Know thyself is another term, like it takes a whole village to raise a child, that we don't often understand, and we misrepresent what it means. Some people will tell you that know thyself is about teaching the children about slavery and all of its atrocities. And I'm saying that can be traumatic to kids. So know thyself really means to connect with your true essence. To connect with your true essence. Now, what is your true essence? Your true essence is that we were all created by God. So, essence which I also told you was Ukobo, essence is